Oh my god, I'm so gross. Alright, we got 1 winner, 2 winners, 3 winners, 4. Just come back. Type in blue heart. I'll leave from here. I'll give you guys that instant win. I don't know if I'm going to continue. Alright, guys. Type in that letter R right now for a free shout out from me. We got a burp coming, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about this. This one's going to be a dark one. Okay, we're good. That was a little... There was some... Yeah. Some bass to it. Wasn't my best. I rate it like a 4. But, you know. Not all of them can be winners. We got another double. Cool. Alright, we're good. Sorry. Quick possession. You know, demon came out. If you guys can sing concerts or legendary... Like my old videos going out. Not sure why that's a thing. Okay, we're good now. I think we're good now. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm really gross. Excuse me. With the burp. It's going to be a big burp. Ooh. Did you guys taste that too? Or was that just me? Ooh. Alright. We're getting to next. I'm disgusting. Like, once again. If you're grossed out by burps, or I guess vomiting in your own mouth, then you should leave now, because it's probably gonna happen 10 more times. Alright. I'm gross. Lovely Tiff. Yo, girl, thank you. Once again, you'll gain a bunch. That's why we get so many constants. That was a demon. That did come out of me. And yeah. My videos are so weird. It's like... I'm disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm really just gonna pick a bunch of you guys and blow you up. Cool? And I'm gonna burp like a moose. If you guys aren't... And I'm gonna burp like a moose. Guys, type in that exclamation point as many...